Hola, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm really excited and I knew that this would be the video that would bring me back from maternity leave. So I am super excited to tell you guys that I did make a purchase from the Lisa Eldridge fall release, and it's a big one. It's really big and there's more. So the first thing I want to tell you guys is I am wearing Velvet Affair lipstick and lip pencil. I have on her foundation in shade 18, and I also have her highlighter on in Solar Light. So if you want to see what I picked up, how it applies, then let's go. So I'm going to start off by trying on the lip pencils and the lipsticks that I purchased. I purchased all of the new releases that she came out with, minus all of the glosses. I only picked up 2, and we're just going to apply them. So I'm going to start off with Intrigue. I'm going to show you guys what they look like. So her packaging is really cute. It's the standard white carton with the gold L in her cute little lip. Intrigue Lip Pencil looks like this. And I'm just telling you guys, I'm on a lip pencil kick. Like, you are going to see a haul soon and you will see. Here you have the lip pencil. Lisa Eldridge does apply the lipstick first and then go in with the pencil, but that's just not my style. And so I do my pencil before the lipstick. Again, a really cute carton, and her lipstick component is this beautiful gold packaging. It's the standard for her. And of course you have this really beautiful velvety lipstick, and we're just gonna go in. So this is Velvet Intrigue. Velvet Intrigue. Here you have Petal Lip Pencil, and now we're gonna go in with Velvet Petal Lipstick. Looks like this. Velvet Petal. Blush Lightly Lip Pencil, and then just so you can see, you have Intrigue, Petal, and Blush Lightly. Blush Lightly Lipstick. Blush Lightly. Cinnabar Lip Pencil. This is the shade that, like everyone else, I'm most excited about. She's beautiful. I knew I was gonna love this one. Velvet Cinnabar. Velvet Cinnabar. And then last year I did pick up one of her gloss sets, and it was Velvet Beauty. So let me show you guys. So here you have blush, and right underneath it you have Blush Lightly so that you guys can compare. I also picked up Fawn Lip Pencil. Here is Fawn over Intrigue, and as you guys can see, they're a little similar. Fawn just has a little bit more of a brown undertone. And then I have Dragon, which is one of my favorite lipsticks, and I'm going to put that over Cinnabar. So there you have Dragon, and Cinnabar's underneath it, and as you guys can see, they're within the orangey red family, but they are not the same. I have Muse, which is one of my favorites. Last year's fall collection was honestly one of my favorite collections. And so here you have Muse right there. So you have Fawn and Muse at the top, and as you guys can see, Fawn, Muse, and Intrigue are within the same family but different. And Morning, oh, Morning. Guys, listen, I'm gonna keep telling you guys that Velvet Morning, Velvet Ribbon, Velvet Dragon, Velvet Cinnabar, all of those shades they're all just, every lipstick that she's ever come out with is fantastic within the Velvet line. The other line, which is more of a sheer formula, it's beautiful, but I feel like where the money is, it's within the Velvet line. So Morning, here is Morning, and then underneath it you have Dragon and then Cinnabar, just to kind of give you guys an idea of what they look like. Ooh, Affair. You know what I'm gonna say. It's one of my favorites. I'm going to put, I've worn this one already actually. Here you have a Fair, and that's over Fawn and Intrigue. And as you guys can see, it's darker. And the last shade I picked up, Ribbon. And I'm just going to put that next to Morning. So there you have Ribbon. And these are all of the lip pencils I have. And as I mentioned, I did pick up one of her Elevated Glow highlighters. I picked up Solar Light. It looks like this. I have it on today, and it's a really subtle highlight. Well, let me show you. This is what the doe foot looks like. It is a nice big applicator, and as you guys can see, it is a very sheer, runny formula. And I have to tell you that I actually like that. I don't know if you guys can pick up the highlight, but it is just a really beautiful, easy to wear glow. It isn't sticky, and it isn't intense or difficult to use. And I'll tell you guys, I have the Auric highlighters and I love them, but I have such a hard time using them on top of my foundation like I just did now. It's one of those products that I have to use underneath my foundation, because I find that if I wear it on top, it just looks like patchy or really obvious where I've set it, no matter how much I blend it or how I apply it. So I really like the way the Lisa Eldridge highlighter applied. The other thing is people compare it to the Charlotte Tilbury highlighter, and to be honest with you guys, that formula is a little bit thicker, and I don't see what the hype is around that product. Like, I've used it so many times, I've tried to really just make it work for me, and it just doesn't do enough to my complexion to where I feel like it's a product I need to add or I need to play with. I have two shades that literally just sit in my drawers. So this is really beautiful, and I love the way that it looks on the skin. And so far, I'm really enjoying it. I picked up two of the glosses, which her glosses are so comfortable, very hydrating. Obviously, a gloss doesn't last as long as a lipstick does, and I don't find that these wear any better than a regular gloss. However, I will tell you that the formulation on this is perfect. It really is a hydrating product. Once it wears off, you still have this balmy finish on your lip, and it's just one of those products that really does help improve the overall look and feel of your lip because it is so moisturizing. So I picked up obviously Dragon and Cinnabar. So let me show you what Dragon looks like. There you have Dragon. And I don't pick up a scent on these. By the way, I'm starting to get my smell back. And then I have Cinnabar here, which I'm really excited about. But I don't want to take this off because I love it. Oh gosh. Wait till you guys look at Cinnabar. Wow, it's so rich and beautiful. I'm not surprised that I love everything I picked up. Honestly, with Lisa Eldridge, she does no wrong. The woman knows her stuff. She's extremely talented, extremely knowledgeable, and passionate about makeup. And so if you are looking to try something and you're really not sure what you want to try, I would tell you definitely look at the Velvet lipsticks. They're amazing. Her lip pencils are so creamy, and I swear to you guys, they don't budge. They are so hard to get off. I had to use a makeup wipe and a little bit of oil to remove the lip pencils, and then go in with a little bit of foundation to kind of mute out my lip again. She nailed it. The formula is great. The packaging is beautiful on everything. Her glosses, like I said, you know, they're glosses. They don't wear extremely long. But if you are a gloss person, you're going to love these because they really do add a layer of hydration to your lip and really do leave your lips feeling and looking just so hydrated and perfect and beautiful. She nailed the formulation. The highlighter I'm really impressed with. I feel like it gives you just a very soft, subtle glow, but it's easy to work with. So if you are somebody that has struggled with cream highlighters or liquid highlighters, you're really going to love this because it is very user-friendly. But I would say The foundation is going to be something that you definitely need to look into. I have on shade 18 today, just so that you know, in case you're similar to my skin tone. The velvet lipsticks, the lip pencils, I would say are by far my favorite. I have tried some of her sheer lipsticks, but I feel like if you're really going to dive into the brand, the velvet lipsticks are the way to go. I love everything. I love Lisa Eldridge. I love her brand and really just how hard she works at developing her products. You can really see the care and dedication that she just pours into her brand. And the other thing I really want to mention is that she has phenomenal customer service. The best by far that I've ever encountered. They are very fast to respond. They are very eager and motivated to make sure that you have the best experience ever, and it's very genuine. And the other thing is, when I was trying to figure out my shade match, her brand, I don't know if it was her or somebody on her team, but they commented on my post. I then asked them if they can give me feedback on the match, because I wasn't sure if 15 was the best match for me or if they had any recommendations. And shout out to Jack. He responded. He's one of her team members, and he said, you know, we're pretty similar in skin tone. I was also matched to 15. I think you should try 17 or 18. And we just went back and forth, and then finally I said, okay, I'm going to try 17 and 18, and sure enough, 18 was my match. It's things like that that really make a consumer support a brand and really stand by it. Not only does she put out amazing products, but she also has an amazing team across the board. I hope that you guys found this video helpful. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell for future videos. Let me know if you have any recommendations for upcoming videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon.